أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, most compassionate, most merciful. When the sun is put out, and when the stars fall down, and when the mountains are blown away, and when pregnant camels are left untended, and when wild beasts are gathered together, and when the seas are set on fire, and when the souls and their bodies are paired once more, and when baby girls buried alive are asked for what crime they were put to death, and when the records of deeds are laid open, and when the sky is stripped away, and when the hellfire is fiercely flared up, and when paradise is brought near, on that day each soul will know what deeds it has brought along. I do swear by the receding stars, which travel and hide, and the night as it falls, and the day as it breaks. Indeed, this Quran is the word of God delivered by Gabriel, a noble messenger angel, full of power, held in honor by the Lord of the throne, obeyed there in heaven and trustworthy, and your fellow man is not insane. And he did see that angel on the clear horizon, and he does not withhold what is revealed to him of the unseen. And this Quran is not the word of an outcast devil. So what other path would you take? Surely this Quran is only a reminder to the whole world, to whoever of you wills to take the straight way. But you cannot will to do so, except by the will of God, the Lord of all worlds.